India Today scooped out exclusive details of the judgment in the rape case where Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh was convicted by a special CBI court. The court has pointed that the convict acted like a wild beast and did not even spare his pious disciples. He deserves no mercy. The court noted that Gurmeet Singh is wealthy enough and can pay compensation to his victims. Special CBI Judge Jagdeep Singh was unsparing in his criticism, where he went on to say that the convict is wealthy enough and can pay compensation to the victim. The judge said Baba Gurmeet Ram Rahim is stated to be the head of a dera which has run a number of institutions in which 7,000 to 8,000 are working. He's been visiting abroad for the promotion of his movies. Such facts established that the convict has no dearth of money and is a man possessing huge wealth and has huge financial resources to compensate victims for his criminal act, unquote. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Manjeet Sehgal for more on the story. Manjeet, Judge Jagdeep Singh was unsparing in his conviction of Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh. Take us through details of the court order.
Gaurav, the court, the CBI Special Court judge was very critical of Gurmeet Ram Rahim, who has sentenced him for 20 years. And besides this, Gaurav, he has also been fined 15 lakh each of the case. And besides this, Gaurav, the court has awarded a compensation of 14 lakh to both the victims. And Gaurav, besides this case, as Gurmeet Ram Rahim has to spend 20 years in jail now, we are expecting more sentences in two of the cases. One is a castration case, and besides this, one is a religious sentiments.
Absolutely. Stay with me, Manjeet. Scathing in his indictment and more cases, more trouble mounting for Gurmeet Ram Rahim. The court rejected his demand for leniency, and very, very scathing criticism by Special CBI Judge Jagdeep Singh, who said undue sympathy to impose inadequate sentence would do more harm to justice system to undermine public's confidence in the rule of law. Now, within Dera Sacha Sauda, the question is who will succeed Gurmeet Singh? Who will take over the massive Dera assets? There already is a war that has broken out. Will it be his adopted daughter, Hanipreet Insan, who's also a part of the coterie in the Sirsa ashram? Or will there be a dark horse in the management who's been taking day-to-day care of the Dera Sacha Sauda? Or will blood be thicker than water because Gurmeet Singh's family want his biological son to take over? We bring you the infighting that has broken out in the Dera.
Addressing an emergency meet of Dera's 45-member highest council, Kaur announced the only man in the succession race, Jasmeet Insan, as Gurmeet's heir. Gurmeet's only son, Jasmeet, was named the heir in 2007 when the CBI filed charge sheet in the rape case. He enjoys considerable clout not just in the Dera but also politically. He is married to a Congress leader's daughter. Naseeb Kaur has now asked the committee members to start the nomination process within a couple of days. Adopted daughter Hanipreet Insan shot to limelight after their defining post-arrest images of Papa Gurmeet and his angel went viral. With a million-strong Twitter following, Hanipreet is arguably Gurmeet's favorite angel in the family, leaving behind two biological daughters, Amanpreet and Charanpreet. But likely to throw a spanner in her works is this woman.
मैं विपसना इंसान, chairperson Dera Sacha Sauda.
After Friday's dance of mayhem, it was Brahmachari Vipassana who took charge and appealed to the followers to maintain peace.
जिससे मीडिया की संगत
Gurmeet's second-in-command, Vipassana, joined Sacha Sauda soon after she completed her graduation. The 35-year-old studied at a girls' college run by the Dera. She now occupies the post of Dera chairperson.
It was on the complaint of two women that Gurmeet Ram Rahim, the Dera Sacha Sauda chief, will have to spend 20 years inside the prison. The special CBI judge has given him 10 plus 10 in both the cases. Both these punishments will run one after another. Now, the irony is that in the line of succession, or those who are being talked about as the one taking over from Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, are also two women. All eyes now whether this succession would be smooth or ridden with factionalism. Dera Sacha Sauda is heading towards another controversy. With camera person Sudhir, Ankit Tyagi in Rohtak, India Today.
So the biological daughter, the adopted daughter, or the biological son or the chairperson, who will head Dera Sacha Sauda? Now I want to once again cut across to India Today's Manjeet Sehgal for more of the story. Manjeet, what are you hearing? What's happening within the Dera? Who's the governing council with?
Well, Gaurav, there are 3 to 4 Dera people, including the two daughters, biological daughters of Gurmeet Ram Rahim and his son Judgement Singh, besides Honeypreet, who can stake claim on the Dera empire. But Dera chief's mother, the mother Naseeb Kaur, yesterday called an emergent meeting of the core committee of Dera. There are 45 members in this core committee. The Naseeb Kaur first announced that the Dera chief's son, Judgement Singh, who heads the sports department in Sirsa, and also the Khel Gaon in charge, will be nominated as the future Dera chief. He has also slammed the core committee members for not taking up Dera chief's case seriously, and has also appealed to the Dera chief's followers to accept Judgement Singh as the nominated member, and has also said that they may not consider him as a spiritual guru, but he will be the next Dera chief. He has
Okay, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, Manjeet Sehgal, many thanks. But it's not just Dera Sacha Sauda. There's another Dera chief who's now in the line of legal fire, another self-styled godman. A court in Hisar is to pronounce its verdict in an 11-year-old murder case against a controversial Dera chief, Rampal. 67-year-old Dera chief stands accused of plotting a conspiracy in which his followers had opened fire at villagers in Rohtak. One villager was killed, several others were injured.